So today I'm going to be showing you my back to school makeup look and hair look and kind of outfit because I'm testing out some outfits to see what I want to wear on the first day of school. And this year I'm going to sophomore year of high school. I'm super excited to go into sophomore year this year because I'm going to see all my younger friends from 8th grade that were in middle school now coming up to high school. Okay, so first we're going to start off with makeup, so I have to tie my long mane back. If you want to know where to get these super awesome scrunchies, they hold hair so well because I have really thick, long hair, and these scrunchies, I just use one of them and it holds up my hair for so long. If you want to know where to buy them, check out my last video and they're linked in the description box, and there's so many different colors you can get of these. Okay, so first we're going to start off with this tinted moisturizer. This is pretty old actually. I want to find a good tinted moisturizer like a CC or BB cream. So if anyone has any suggestions, please leave them down in the comments below. But for now I'm just going to use this. And this has SPF 15 and it's by Artistry. I'm not sure if I said that already. And it's the color tint 1. This is probably the lightest because I'm pretty pale. And it is summertime, so I'm pretty tan. I'm not sure if this will match me, but since it's pretty sheer, it shouldn't be a problem. I'm just going to take my Real Techniques beauty sponge and put that on there. Oh my gosh, this is actually pretty light. Oh well. I forgot to say, I'm using the Instant Age Rewind Eraser, by Maybelline. Okay, so now I'm taking my Artistry Exact Fit Powder Foundation, but I'm just going to take this with this little like spongy thing and dip a corner into it, and I just put it on my spots because it makes it blend into the skin more. This is really full coverage, so it basically disappears. At least it looks like it disappears. Okay, so next I'm just going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and take my sponge and just put it under my eyes, on my chin, and on my forehead. I usually put powder everywhere, but I'll usually put like the main places first and then just use the excess on the sponge for everywhere else, as you could see, and then I'll just put it on my nose too. Okay, so I don't really put on eyeshadow for school or anything, so I'm just going to take my eyelash curler and just curl my eyelashes. Okay, so next I'm going to take my YSL Beauty Volume Mascara and just put that on my lashes. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking my 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit and combing through my eyebrows with it. Ooh, what the heck? Got on my mirror. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are done, I don't really fill them in because I don't think they need to, and usually it just takes too much time in the morning. Okay, so next I'm going to be using this Kiko, I think that's how you pronounce it, Kiko Double Color Baked Blush in 02 Harmonious Bisque. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Sorry. But it's just this, like, kind of like, it looks like a, I can't describe anything. So I just put that on the apples of my cheeks and I just dot it on. Now I'm just putting on my Measurable Difference highlighter. I love this highlighter, as you saw. It was in my summer favorites. You guys should check that video out. I think I already promoted that video. Sometimes if I'm feeling it, I'll put it on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. And sometimes even the brow bone, but I usually probably don't have time in the morning, so I guess I'm just doing that now for fun. I'm gonna put on some bronzer. I'm gonna be taking this from the Sephora Blushed Bronze and Ready to Glow palette. Okay, so the last step I do for my makeup is just put on a chapstick. Okay, so that was my makeup look and it's pretty light. Let's move on to my hair. Okay, so the first step I'm gonna do is just to brush my hair because in the morning I usually have pretty bad bedhead and my hair gets pretty knotty since it's so long. Ew, there's so much hair on my brows. Oh my god. Okay, so the hairstyle I'm going to try to attempt are the space buns, half up, half down, like the braided space buns. And I've tried this a few days ago and it just didn't work. But then I watched Adeline Morin's video and she teased the hair, which I'll show you how to do later. But it just made the buns look so much better. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so now I'm going to take my rat tail comb and put that down the middle of my hair to get an even part. Okay, so throughout this there's going to be a lot of sectioning off. So I have a lot of hair ties and I'm going to section off one side of my hair just to make it easier to get more cleaner cuts in my hair. Not like I'm cutting my hair, that sounds like I'm cutting my hair. But once that's sectioned off, you're just going to take your comb and pull it through like this. So you have one section for one bun. Once you have that section, just section off the rest. Oh my gosh, ew. And then section it off to the side with another hair tie. Flip that back over. And you're gonna do the same thing that you did to this side, but to this side. Okay, this looks super strange, but now that you have your hair sectioned off here and then you have your little parts up here, you're gonna take one side and I'm just gonna brush it through first. Once you brush it through, secure it with a hair tie to the side so it doesn't get in your way of braiding. This looks so strange, oh my gosh. And you also don't have to section off, but it just, for me, it helps me more because it makes it cleaner so I don't get any other hairs in my braid. So I'm gonna do a Dutch braid. So if you don't know how to do a Dutch braid, all you have to do is take 3 sections. I have a mirror down here, by the way. 3 sections, you put under, just to start it off. Then you take the other section and do under, and then take a piece of hair from one side along and combine it with that one hair. So you take this hair, put it under, along with another strand of hair, and you just continue that all the way. Okay, so once you've done your braid all the way back, just take a little hair tie and tie that right at the end where the braid stops and you have no more hair left. Look at this, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna combine this ponytail in with it just to make life easier. Actually, I don't really need to section off this section because I won't really like grab from it, but I'll just do it anyways. Okay, so once you have your sections braided and you have your little ponytails, you could actually leave it like this, but personally I like the buns better, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so next you're going to take one of your ponytails and your brush, and you're just going to back comb it, which is basically you just brushing it the other way. And it feels kind of weird, but that's how you tease your hair. And it gets it looking really thick and fluffy. Okay, so once you have your hair looking like a rat's nest, you're just going to take your comb or your brush, if you just have a brush, and slightly comb over, but not too much so the tease doesn't go away. Then now it's all fluffy, you're just going to put it into your bun. Okay, so once you have your bun, you're just going to take some bobby pins and pin and secure your bun. Okay, so now you have one little bun, and you're going to do the same to the other side. Okay, so this is what the finished hairstyle looks like. Finished makeup and hair, and I think it looks so cute. This bun is kind of a little more messed up in a way. Like, it didn't have as much hair, so it's not as cute as this one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my makeup look and my hair, and I hope you guys just enjoyed this video overall. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!